The ASRock B550 Taichi is a high-end AMD motherboard that delivers an exceptional package of features and performance while being reasonable on the wallet. Now, when it comes to choosing a motherboard, the power delivery system is a crucial factor to consider, and the ASRock B550 Taichi does not disappoint. Its 16 plus 2-phase power design is a remarkable feature that ensures dependable power delivery even for the most power-intensive tasks. As a result, in terms of VRM and power delivery, the B550 Taichi boasts top-of-the-line performance, which makes it an ideal choice for CPU overclocking. You can try your hand at overclocking with this motherboard without having to worry about temperatures or reliability. The VRM cooling system is highly impressive, and the heatsink excels in keeping the motherboard's temperature under control. The aluminum alloy heatsink is a noteworthy addition that guarantees efficient cooling during prolonged gaming sessions. The motherboard's PCB is crafted with high-quality materials and electronic components to ensure the utmost performance. It features the best-in-class chokes and capacitors for the power delivery system, which makes it a great motherboard for achieving high overclocks. This, in turn, allows the CPU to perform to its maximum potential, both in CPU and GPU applications. Of course, the B550 Taichi offers a comprehensive suite of features, which is to be expected at this price point. The motherboard provides versatile connectivity options with numerous USB 3.2 Gen 2 ports, dual M2 slots, and Wi-Fi 6 for seamless wireless networking. The 2.5 gigabit Ethernet port is also a great addition to the networking suite, making it suitable for high bandwidth workloads as well. The total number of USB ports on the rear I/O is rather limited, and that may prove to be a problem for users who tend to connect a lot of peripherals to their computers. We would have liked a few more USB 2.0 ports just as a safety net. When it comes to competition, we also like the ASRock Strix B550F as a competent alternative, but the B550 Taichi is a lot more versatile in its feature set, as well as more powerful when it comes to its VRM performance. The additional price difference is justified when you consider the overall package. The design of the ASRock B550 Taichi is quite unique, with a bronze and black theme that give it a very distinguished personality. The Taichi boards have always had a distinct design element, and the B550 variant is no different. The golden cog wheels on the chipset heatsink might be a bit too much for some, but still, the board looks fantastic overall, and the RGB lighting is well implemented. Overall, despite its relatively high price, the ASRock B550 Taichi is an outstanding motherboard to consider. With its robust power delivery system and top-of-the-line features, this board is sure to satisfy even the most demanding users. To sum up what we like is the superb power delivery, the impressive networking, the numerous SATA ports, the pleasing RGB lighting, and the attractive design. On the downside, it's relatively expensive and limited rear USB ports. Our rating for VRM design is 9.5 out of 10. Features, 9.5 out of 10. Aesthetics, 8.5 out of 10. Value for money, 8 out of 10. For an overall rating of 9 out of 10. So what do you think? Is this the best motherboard for you? Or do you think another motherboard's better? Check detailed reviews of the top motherboards on our website, bestmotherboardzone.com, and another video where we reviewed the top 3 motherboards for the Ryzen 5 5600G and see if any of these is a better option for you. Tell us in the comments below, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe.